back to our channel. Before we get started, click our button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Join the science food net, and we're gonna do our own volcano. We'll show you what we need. Turn your listening ears on.
Listening ears on.
This is exciting. Let's get started. First, you need a bottle. Glass bottle looks like this. Next, you're gonna need baking soda. Don't food coloring. We actually got pink, but never mind. It just means it's gonna have pink lava. White vinegar. First, you're gonna wrap the bottle with tin foil. A volcano. Once you got the bottle, look like a volcano. See, you wrap the tin foil around it. See how it looks like a volcano?
Like a bottle, like a cano.
Thing is, we're gonna do baking soda. Put it in. There. Yep, good girl. Now it's my turn.
Yes. I'm gonna do it now. And my doll hold it.
We'll do it together, okay?
Yeah.
This time. Wow.
What?
Good mountain.
What's our next?
Next, we're gonna add a soap. Do you want me to do it for you?
No. I'm doing that now.
It's the baking soda.
Okay.
Oh, it's pretty yummy.
It's so yummy.
Now we're gonna do food coloring. Gonna be the fun part. We're gonna watch it float. You guys ready? Get started. Pour vinegar really quickly. Watch it and float.
Go.
Wow! Volcano! Cool as that.
Let's do it again.
So cool. We made a volcano. Wow. I'm gonna keep it.
There you go.
Wow! Lava! Really floor's lava. Look, floor's lava. Uh-oh, it's lava. Light intro 5. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.